Hello, in this video I am going to share 10 Excel shortcuts that can simplify your daily tasks.
Here we have a database, that is name of the student, first name and last name. I have to fill first name entries here. First I will type in one entry and then use Ctrl E. Again in the last name I will just type in one entry, then Ctrl E. It will automatically fill the other. In the same database, here I want to insert one column. For that I will use Control space to select the column, Control Shift plus to insert the column. Again I have to insert the row, so I will use Shift space, then Control Shift minus to insert the row. Now the new row is inserted here. To select the full text here, you can use one shortcut key called Ctrl T. Place the cursor on any cell and press Ctrl T. It will select full text like this. To include the filter option, we have to go to data and then use filter. Alternate option is to use the shortcut key Ctrl Shift L. It will automatically insert the filter option here. Here we have employee name and salary. I want to insert the currency symbol here. Control 1. Open this window. I will select the currency. It will include currency for one cell. If I want it for other rows, I will use one shortcut key F4. In this table we have employee name and salary. If we have to calculate the total salary, we can use one shortcut Alt plus. If you use, we will get the total salary. If you want to display this information in the form of graph, use Alt F1 shortcut key. It will generate graph like this. I am adding data labels here. Alt F1 is the shortcut key to generate graph. Using shortcut key, we can hide columns or rows. Using Control 0, we can hide column. Using Control 9, we can hide rows. So here we have employee name and designation. So I want to enter one more record here. I will type in the name, and for designation I will use Alt down arrow. It will display all the existing designations. I can choose from that list. Alt down arrow, it will display the already typed in designations. Here we have student name, subject 1 marks, subject 2 marks and total marks. We have formula for this. If I have to copy the total marks, so I will select that column, then to paste that one I will use shortcut key Ctrl Alt V. So it will display this window, and here I will select values and click OK.